Donald Trump has a higher chance of winning the 2024 US election. Okay, but how do you make money from this Trump bullish narrative? In this video, I'll be sharing with you top 5 Trump meme coins that you need to hold in order to maximize and make money from this Trump narrative. Guys, if you are new to my channel, kindly consider supporting my work by subscribing to this channel. Like this video, comment, engage, share with other persons so that the algorithm can share with more people. Okay, let's get started. Now, this is Poly Market, and on Poly Market, you can see the election forecast analysis showing Donald Trump and showing Kamala. And you can see that Trump has 9% chances of winning the US presidential election in 2024 against Kamala that has 38% chance of winning the US presidential election. Okay, so there are a lot of predictions, a lot of data that you can use that can tell you how bullish the Republican and Trump is or will be in this upcoming election. All right, but the most important thing is what are the coins, what are the Trump meme coins that you need to hold on your portfolio so that you can make money off the election. Okay, so the first one is MAGA, which has MAGA means Make America Great Again, and the ticker is Trump. The ticker is Trump. Now, looking at it, okay, it rose to about $17 per coin per meme coin. Okay, and the market cap too has been rising very well. Okay, the current market cap is around $244 million, and it rose to $775 million. Okay, guys, what I think is that this coin, this Trump meme coin will be the first meme coin to hit or to reach $1 billion. So how can you buy this coin? I think that is the next thing. Okay, this particular meme coin is listed on Ethereum chain and Binance Smart chain. So that means you can buy it from Uniswap and you can buy it from PancakeSwap for those that prefer DEX. For those that want to use centralized exchanges, you can buy it from Mexi, you can buy it from CoinX. Okay, and just find the exchange that you like using and buy it from among these list. Okay, so that is the first coin. So the second Trump meme coin is MAGA hat, Make America Great Again hat. Now Trump usually have a hat, okay, a hat one, and this cap has MAGA on it. So this meme coin represents that cap. Okay, so MAGA hat, so the MAGA cap. Okay, so this meme coin has is created to represent that hat, that cap that has MAGA on it, and a lot of persons wear this hat to rally. And now it's also a very bullish narrative because all meme coins that are created or represent Trump and the election, the upcoming election. Okay, we are very very bullish. So these are just some of them, some of the few that I think will perform very well. All right, so the market cap, the price action. Look at the price actions. But let's look at the market cap for this. Okay, the all-time market cap was around $36 million. For the current market cap is around $26 million. Okay, now you can see that there's a potential here. If you want to buy this coin, it's a potential. In fact, getting to the all-time high is already like it's already like we're close to 2x. So it's a meme coin created on the Ethereum chain. You can see that means you can buy it from Uniswap. Yeah, but let's look at the other markets where you can buy it from. You can buy it from these exchanges, Gate.io, Bitmart. Just check and you find the exchanges that the centralized exchanges that you are comfortable using. Okay, so the next Trump meme coin is Baby Trump. Okay, just like we have Baby Shiba or Baby Doge. Okay, that's how it's like. This just like a baby version of Donald Trump. So it has the same character of Donald Trump, and so this project has a bullish community, and I believe it's something. It's a project that will perform very high. You can see that it has rose, it came down and it rose again, and it's now dropping. So the all-time market cap was around 11 million. 11, yeah, $11 million. Okay. Now it has peaked to $1.3 million. Okay, so it is a project that we also show strength. It's listed on Binance Smart Chain, and also it's created on Binance Smart Chain and Solana Chain. That means you can buy the DEX you can use to buy them. To buy the ticker or to buy this meme coin is PancakeSwap and Jupiter Exchange for DEX. For those that prefer to use centralized exchanges, you can buy it from Mexi. Okay, Mexi is the only centralized exchange that has it. So go to Mexi and buy it from there. The next is Donald Trump. Donald Trump. So this uh, means this is a meme coin to represent Donald Trump. Okay, but in the crypto space, in the meme coin space, so Trump represents Trump. All right. So this project is listed on created on the Solana chain, and let's look at the price action. Okay, the all-time high was 35 million and currently sitting on 34 million. Okay, so let's look at it. The all-time high was 136 million. Okay, and it's currently sitting at at 34 million. Guys, this is bullish. Now, the easiest way to know if this is bullish is for this particular project to go back to its all-time. Going back to its all-time high, it means this will be like 3 to 4x from here. Okay, so you can see how bullish it is. Where can you buy from? You can buy from Jupiter Exchange. Let's look at the centralized exchange you can buy from. Mexi has it, Kraken has it listed, CoinW has it listed. So just scroll and make a choice of the centralized exchange market cap, SEX market cap. So the next one is Fight. Fight to make America great again, and the ticker is Fight. Okay, so let's look at the market cap for this. So now you know the narrative that this project is representing Trump after the mixed assassination of Trump, the mixed attempt assassination of Trump. Then when he got up, he was shouting "Fight to make America great again." Look at. In fact, the logo for this ticker or for this meme coin has the picture of Donald Trump shouting "Fight." Okay, so it's very bullish. And the market cap, the all-time market cap was around $69 million, and it's currently sitting at $5 million. So I'm bullish on these two. And so these are some of the meme coins, the top 5 meme coins that you should include in your portfolio. The first one is MAGA, ticker Trump. The second one is MAGA Hat, the ticker MAGA. The next one is Baby Trump, the ticker Baby Trump. The next one is Donald Trump, the ticker Trump. And the last one is Fight to MAGA with the ticker Fight. Guys, kindly consider supporting my work by subscribing to this channel. If you have not subscribed, I beg you, kindly subscribe to this channel. Kindly comment and like this video. Comment on this video. What are the other Trump meme coins that we should look out for, that we must have on our portfolio in order to make money from the bullish Trump narrative? Okay. Like, comment, and share with your community. Okay. At CoinDollar, we have our community. We have a community, and the aim of CoinDollar is to help community members to make money from crypto daily, on daily basis. Okay, so check the description in this video and find the link to join the community. Also, there's a link to a video here, and the video is about the top meme coins to hold. Check it and you'll find it. Thank you. Until I come your way another time.